We gaan even plaatsmaken voor de Polonaise, dacht ik zo. Het wordt nu wel echt tijd hoor. Kom op. De hele zaal doet toch even mee. We gaan klappen. Ja, kom op. We zijn hier op een feest, jongens. Doe nou. Achter in de zaal mag ook best hoor.
South of the border, yeah, I know that. He's got more fun than anybody's had. Don't get no worry, don't get no go. Everybody's wondering about Mexico Joe. In old Mexico, they call him the Rumba King. Leads off the wind and around on the string. When they go out, they get a million thrills. But I love the senoritas went up with the bill. Dancing, romancing, always on the go. Sun shining down on Mexico Joe. Along the bay, people want to see him when he comes their way. He spreads so much joy everywhere he goes. Everyone shouts "Viva la Mexican Joe!" Dancing, romancing, always on the go. Sun shining down on Mexican Joe. Just getting back from Juarez, Mexico. And I'll tell you something I want you to know. My poor head is aching, it drops and it rolls from drinking tequila and teasing the girls. Don't get me wrong, because I'm not complaining. I have no regrets, I'm only explaining for all of your fellows that ain't had the thrill of drinking tequila and teasing the girls. Happy tonight, the maids are dancing out in the moonlight. On top of the world, drinking tequila and teasing the girls. The sucker and has got my gal, and she's gone, 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 and I'll bid her my last very well. I fell in love with a pretty little thing. I found at the wedding bells would ring. She was as sweet could be, till I found out what she did to me. Steamboat, river and canal, yonder comes the sucker and he's got my girl. And she's gone, 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 and I'll bid her my last very well. Oh, bonita, I'm sad and blue. My señorita, it'll all it too. Echo bonita, where can she be? My señorita, please find her for me. Will you echo, 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 echo down that Argentina. We just do a three. Ecco bonita, Senora and me. Well, you echo, 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 echo down Mexico way. She'll hear our echo, 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 and come back to stay in Argentina. We just do a three. Echo bonita, Senora and